Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Do you see my balance today is just 10 bucks? And 10 is the minimum deposit that you can drop on Quotex. But of course, I recommend my subscribers to start with the most effective sum at just 50 bucks. Okay, look at my currency pairs. I have set up everything already and I have selected 3 currency pairs, which includes Euro and USD. And if we switch between them, we should find some similarities. But there are some similarities between Euro and Japanese yen, and Euro and US dollar. But as for Euro and Great Britain pound, it's absolutely different. Okay, don't worry, such situations could happen, but in general, there's some patterns between all 3 currency pairs. What about the strategy that we'll be using today? It's all around Keltner channel and ADX indicator. Many traders tell me that you don't trade with ADX indicator. My question is why? Why exactly? Because this is a perfect indicator, I guess. And let me open the trade just to show you that it's really working. Okay, my first trade will be with 10 bucks and again with 1 minute time frame. And only after I will explain you how ADX work and all this information you will get from this video. So watch till the end and yeah, I will be open to trade up. Let's go. It's great. As you see, the price has grown a little bit up to this resistance level. So what about ADX? I promised you to tell you more about it, indicator, and yes, if we open these, we see that ADX indicator consists of 3 lines. One of them is indicator itself plus 2 positive moving average and negative moving average. Default color are a little bit different, but I changed the color in order to see it more clearly. I think it's more rational when plus is green and minus is red. So this plus line and this red negative line. So when we see the intersection and when we see the bulls or bears prevailing, so that's the signal for us. Okay, and let's continue our trading session and let's go to my first currency pair, Euro and Japanese yen. All these currencies are without OTS tag. I know many traders are afraid of trading OTS currency pairs. Anyway, I trade OTC because the Quotex broker is so reliable for me. And yeah, let's continue dealing with the situation up and down. So very volatile market, and when the price is the middle line of Keltner channel indicator, I will trade here with 70 bucks. Here I'll increase my investment and step by step I think my profit will be bigger. Okay, trade up, let's go. Yes guys, so risky. You see, most of the time the price was growing, but at the last second my point was near on my entry point. That's really crazy. So that was really risky, but I'm so lucky that I'm in a profit. Yeah, binary options include some risk. You have to understand this, but if you want to earn money, you have to be brave enough. You have to be smart enough and you have to be disciplined enough. So guys, I know that you know all these things, but please try and start doing these things in your real life, and only then your life will be changing to better. I know it's by myself, you know, I'm from Montenegro. I lived in pretty poor family, and right now where I earn pretty nice money for me, but of course I know that I can earn more. That's why let's not talk and let's stop talking and let's start earning money. Third currency pair, Euro and US dollar. all these currencies have nice percentages payout and really nice situation. Interesting, this bunch of candles at this resistance level, but this candle is still grown. You see, we have this intersection of positive and negative line and ADX. ADX below and all these lines looking down. So I would like to trade here with 32 bucks, and from this point to be ready for trading down direction right now. Guys, result is amazing. You see, I have already 60 bucks in my balance and I definitely want to continue my trading session. Let's look one more time at this situation. The price has reached this level, so I'll give some time to this chart and let's go to the first currency pair, Euro and Japanese yen. I will open a deal here right at the middle line of Keltner channel indicator and I'll put here 60 bucks again. Look here 1 minute in my time expiration and trade down. Let's go. Yeah, that's crazy. In my first $100 on my balance, you see small price moment. But on this small price fluctuation, I got my profit, and yes, it's a really risky candle. But I was lucky enough to just scalp this. This, by the way, is one of the type of trading which is called scalping. I just scalp the price, which means that I open so many positions in a short period of time that I get my profit and the number of my winning trades are prevailing. The number of my loss trades and for example, this is trading sessions. I haven't lost money yet, but let's see what will happen. Maybe I'll be not so lucky, but let's go to the second currency pair, which is Euro and Great Britain pound. As you see, I have selected 3 currency pairs. Usually I trade with a big number of currencies, now it's only 3. I decided to focus only on these currency pairs, and yeah, maybe in this strategy it will work out better than to be focused on, I think, 7 or 8 currency pairs. So just 3 is enough and let's continue trading. I like this candle, which means that the bears are pushing the price in down direction. I can conclude this from this long wick above the candle, and also look at a DX indicator of positive line is crossing a DX indicator, and yeah, that's cool moment. So I'll put here 100 bucks in my investment and open a trade up. Let's go. Great, again I'm in profit, already 200 bucks in my balance, and this is a really crazy strategy. I started from really minimum deposit of 10 bucks to show you this strategy with Keltner channel and ADX, and already 200 bucks in my account. Just how many minutes did you count? I started at around 1:20 a.m. I think. So I'm doing all these costs in live for you because many of you were asking me about them. So here you are, I'm trading in front of your eyes, and let's see how much money I'll be able to earn today. So third currency pair, Euro and US dollar. Yeah guys, the situation is similar, right? Can you compare with the previous chart? Similar, absolutely similar. I see this, and now the price is at the higher band of Keltner channel indicator. We all see this, that the candles are bonding from this higher line of Keltner usually, but sometimes they're going up to the lower band of Keltner. That's interesting. And what will happen in this situation? Let's zoom in this picture, and I want to open a trade here. I don't want to lose, guys. I don't want to lose. I'll put there 160 bucks. Not my whole wallet. I will be rational. Maybe in this trading session I'll even decrease my investments because it's much smarter, and always adhere to the rules of thumb money management. Okay, I'll open a trade here in down direction. Let's go. Well, amazing result and again in profit. Well, I love really trading sessions where I'm in profit, but some days there are some black days when I'm not in profit. When I lost big amounts of money, when I lost small amounts of money, and really those days so bad, so nervous, anxiety so high. But I know that many traders also have these feelings of anxiety, especially if you're a beginner and if you're not so lucky enough, if you lost some amount of money. I know this feeling. I also lost money sometimes, but don't lose your heart. Just try practicing, just try trading, don't lose your heart, and keep going towards your aim like me. So let's continue trading, and first currency pair, euro and Japanese yen. Let's continue trading here. Sometimes I think this is just my daily routine and I lost the interest of trading, but the other day I just remember all these trips that I spent my earned money on, all those things, all those feelings and emotions that I just give to my close people, to my friends, to my mom, father, brothers, sisters. And that's so amazing. That's why I understand why I need trading. And here let's keep emotions aside, because here there's no place for emotions. Here there's only place for technical analysis. Yeah, let's get back on track. And this is a volatile market that's in front of me. I see this volatile market so many times in life, and I even learned how to get profit from this. Okay, I see price at the lower band of Keltner and it tells me guys, tells you where the price will go right now. I'll definitely put here $330 in my investments. You know that we're trading on 1 minute time frame. Don't forget about this. And here I want to open a trade down. Let's go. Yeah guys, again good result, and the price gave me some profit, so I just doubled the sum and already have $600. I get this maximum profit from this volatile market with this savings I have. I started just from 10, which is the minimum deposit on Quotex. Yeah, it's the minimum deposit, but you can drop more. And if you start with big amount, for example, like with $600, you'll be able to overclock your balance even faster. For example, imagine if you start with $600, just count how many trades you need to win, just to have, I don't know, $6,000 just to increase my deposit in 10 times. I think not so much. So let's try it and let's check this third currency pair, euro and US dollar. Let's see how much trade I need to reach my goal. $6,000. Nice pattern on ADX indicator. Nice chart here. The price is lower. The middle line of Keltner, it's getting low, closer to the low level of Keltner, and I'll put here $6,000. $600, or sorry, I'm already in my dreams, and my payout will be it's equal the sum. I know this in advance and I'm ready for one more trade. So up direction, let's go. Yeah, that was pretty predictable from this point. The price is growing through the high line of Keltner. Okay guys, and if you want to have same result as me, for example, I made already my deposit, my initial deposit, more than 10 times. It's more than 100 times, I think, already, as I have more than $1,000 already on my balance. I have a tip for you. You just need to practice each day with me in my trading sessions, and that's how you can join my trading sessions. Just write me in direct messages that you want to trade with me, and I'll add you to my VIP chat. The link is below this video. Okay, let's continue. The second currency pair, euro and Great Britain pound. All the currency pairs are great today, and with this amount of money that I have in my deposit, I have an opportunity to earn really thousands of dollars. So let's bet here $1,000, and which direction is better to open a trade? Considering that the price already reached this resistance level, I think it will be great to do the following. I will open a trade up here, and guys, let's go. Yeah, amazing result. So you see, IDX was looking in up direction, and that was really cool situation to earn money because the resistance level was already reached. It was broken, and it was broken there. So let me check. Just 3-minute time frames. What's happening there? Oh, in 3-minute time frame, it's real global downtrend, and it's just simple rollback of the price in up direction, and I'm really interested what will happen next. I told you that my win rate is around 90% for each trade, and usually I lose this 10% of trades on some vision stations, and this is one of them. So when the price started to grow up, it's already reached the level of resistance and continue growing up. It's really hard to decide whether price will go after this, and I will allow myself to trade just with $100 just to test the level, and considering the fact that the price has these strong bullish intentions, I will trade in up direction again. Well guys, unfortunately I lost this trade, and that's really bad. Yeah, very often such situation happens when the bullish movement that breaks all the resistance level is continuing, but that's even not the situation. When I see that this green candle is growing exactly at the moment when I open the trade for 1 minute, the price fall back a little bit, and that's pretty bad because I lost my money. That wasn't a big sum for me, just $100, but I don't lose my heart. I will continue trading, but be aware of such situations. Okay, let's go further and let's see what's happening on the first currency pair, Euro and Japanese yen. I want to continue my live trading session when I started from the $10, and I still want to earn $6,000, and this small loss doesn't make my mind so bad and awful, terrible. Yeah, it's pity, but I want to continue put here, I think $1,500, because this situation is pretty clear signals. This level of resistance is strong also, that's why I want to open a trade down. Let's go. Yeah guys, you see the price has fallen a little bit, and I made my profit on these small movements. Because this resistance level is working so greatly, but now I see that again the price started to break this level. Well, that will happen on 5-minute time frame. I'm really interested, and by the way, it's which I don't know if it's falling which or rising which. Let's see on 10-minute time frames. It's definitely fallen which, but we don't know when the price would break this level or this, but in general, according to the theory of technical analysis, this triangle should be broken over there, but it's happening on 10-minute time frame. We're working with 1-minute time frame. Anyway, it's really important to be aware of situations that's happening on higher time frames. And yes, $3,000 on my balance already. Let's go to the third currency, Euro and US dollar. And I want to open more trades. I know that many of you are already surprised on my strategy when I earned $1,000. It was my second video that I uploaded on my YouTube channel, and that's really so funny because there are so many people that are leaving their comments that how did you do this? I'm really interested. I'm so confused. How did you do this? And really, I'm just telling you how did you do this. I just open trade by trade and earn money because I know the rules, technical analysis. Okay, let's move on. 3,000 bucks in my investment already. Yeah, as my granddaddy and mommy said, I'm really good at doubling sums, and that's why I find myself trading on binary options. Well, here in this situation, I see a good entry point. That's why I open a deal in down direction. Let's go. Great guys, nice profit. As you see, 5,700 bucks in my account. It's still left to earn 300 bucks, and I want to do this. There's so much temptation to make a trade again with $5,000 or almost on my wallet, but I won't do this. I'll just select good currency pair, the first one for example, and let me decide how much money I want to trade this time. As I know, my financial goal is $6,000 and I need to not so big profit, so I'll trade just with $1,000. 1,000 will be enough for me to put in this trade. ADX is looking in up direction, positive line is looking down, and I'm ready to take my decision. So trade in up direction. Let's go. Well, risky trade, but I'm in profit, and yes, I reached my financial goal. 6,600 bucks in my balance, guys. That's great. That's great. I remind you that if you want to have the same results, you know what to do. Follow the link below this video and get access to my community where I share free signals for you of your own profitable trades. And I wish you good luck and bye-bye.